Located on an almost 9,000 square foot corner lot in Aspen's sought-after West End, 721 West North is a beautiful combination of natural light, reclaimed beams, and thoughtful touches. Recently refreshed with new paint, lighting, and curated furnishings, this 5-bedroom home blends timeless character with modern comfort. An intimate library and office, along with multiple living and media areas across all 3 levels, provide flexibility for relaxation, work, and entertaining. The functional floor plan spans 3 levels, offering versatile living and entertaining spaces, and 4 of the 5 bedrooms are all above grade, including the private main-level primary suite. The lower level offers a spacious family room with custom woodwork, an ensuite guest bedroom, plus an additional full bath, generous storage, and a laundry room with dual washers and dryers. Outdoor living is equally inviting, with a tranquil water feature, a gas fire pit, this great stone patio seating area, hot tub, the whole thing fenced, and an outdoor covered dining terrace. Directly across from the Aspen Center for Physics and the Aspen Institute campus, and just a short stroll to the Benedict Music Tent, this rare West End residence includes 5 ensuite bedrooms on a one-of-a-kind oversized corner lot.